Okay. Yeah, cursor is a database object, okay, that retrieves data from result set, ah, row by row. Okay. Suppose if I hit start from venture box dot production dot. Okay, guys. Suppose if I hit this one, what will become? Suppose if I hit this select statement. So if I hit this select statement, I'm able to see the data at a time, right? Right. 10 records I'm able to see one time. Otherwise, you can call it as at a time. So the cursors really works like, it will be print like row by row, one, two, three, something like that, one after one. So when I hit normal select statement, it will give you all records at a time. When you use the cursors, no, it will give you row by row. Okay. So I'll give you examples, then you will come to know. Okay. Cursor is a DBI object that retrieve data from result set row by row. Okay. Row by row at a time. So when do you use the cursors? Any idea? So suppose I want to update a transaction. I want to update a delete, update, and insert. Okay, with a single transaction. So suppose normally if I hit update, insert, delete, what will happen? All statement will update at a time, right? So when these operations happen, the data will be inconsistent, correct? Because insert and update and delete is happening at a time. At a time, that's why the data will be inconsistent. Okay? ఎందుకు లాస్ట్ ఇట్లా చేస్తారు మీరు ఫోన్ తీసుకురా సారీ మై బ్రదర్స్ కిడ్స్ కేమ్ ఓకే so it's going okay, that's why. So the data will be inconsistent. That's why you use cursors. So now when you use cursors, insert will be it act as a row. Okay. Once the insert will happen, then update, then again delete. So there is no data loss and data will be consistent. Unlike when you perform normal transactions, right? So we can use cursor when we need to update, delete or insert in singleton pattern. Right, singleton fashion. What we discussed now. Okay, singleton fashion, which means nothing but row by row. Okay, the system itself no. First you need to insert, then update and delete when you use the cursors and all. Okay, so now we can see the life cycle of the cursor. Cursor actually we have five phases, guys. One is declare. Okay, one is open, fetch, close, and deallocate. Okay, so declare nothing but you just declare the cursor name. Okay, so normally we can declare the cursor name and select statement in declare statement. Okay, open cursor nothing but whenever you hit this command open cursor. Okay, so it will allocate memory. Okay, it will allocate memory. Okay, and ready to, hey guys, ready to perform the operations. Okay, so whenever you put that open cursor, no, it allocate memory and ready to perform the operation. Fetch in the sense, okay, we need to declare the variables. Okay, once we declare the fetch cursor, Can anyone accept, or do you want me to accept this? Okay. Yeah, guys, nothing but when you use the fetch cursor, it simply, yeah, it simply saves whatever data we declared in variables. Okay, when you use, when you put fetch, it will store data into variables. Clear till here? So once we done the fetch cursor, inside fetch cursor we need to write while loop and all. I will tell you that. So, but just remember what are the five phases in cursor. Those that is the important thing. Okay. Once we declare the fetch cursor, so once we completed everything in fetch cursor, what we need to do? To close the cursor. The close the cursor in the sense we are informing the system. Please close the cursor. Means no need to perform any operation. That is the end there. Okay. Once that close cursor, we need to deallocate the cursor. So deallocate in the means the memory, whatever the store as of now, it automatically deallocate. So clear till here? So do you want me repeat the from fetch cursor? Nothing as fetch cursor, nothing but okay. Yeah, fetch cursor when you declare is nothing but retrace the rows. Okay, retrace the rows and it saves into variables. Okay, so close the cursor means once we define the close cursor, just inform the system, just close the cursor. Okay, or free the memory. So deallocate is also same thing. Okay, once the cursor the definition, once we define the deallocate, just inform to system. So delete the cursor or deallocate the memory from the system. Clear till here? So actually the life cycle of the cursor is nothing but these five statements. Declare, open, yeah guys, fetch, close and deallocate. Clear till here? So I will give you the syntax, then you will go with you'll go with examples, okay? So I am not going to deep dive into this one because this is not that important. Okay, but I will give you examples and all. Yeah, now you can tell me what I need to write first. Declare. Yes. Declare cursor, right? Yep. Declare. What I need to write. Declare cursor name. Cursor name, name, and cursor. Okay. Sorry, it's maybe my mistake. Yeah. Once I declared, what I need to write. So I'm just writing normally. Okay. So I already write right. Declare for here. The same thing you need to write. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So self statement. Yeah. Once that is done, what I need to do? Open or not? Open your cursor name. Okay. Open cursor name. Yep. Once it's done, we need to write fetch. Okay. Fetch next. Okay. This is a keyword. Okay. So same thing. Okay. What we need to write here? Fetch next. From whatever our cursor name. Okay. Cursor name. So I didn't declare variable, but for timing, just try to understand the syntax. Then you can see. Okay. Variable one, variable two, and so on. So nothing but that a variable, nothing but guys, whatever you're writing here, columns one, right? Column one, column two. This information will ideally store in where? Yeah, guys, variable one and variable two. Something like whatever you are declaring in your select statement, right? That columns fall under your variable one and variable two. Okay, when we see examples, then we'll come to know. Okay, yeah. Once a fetch, we need to write some while condition here, guys. Okay, while fetch status, okay, equal to 0. Then begin. You just write some statements here. Okay, print one, something like that. Okay. So why I'm using as a page status equal to 0, it means so whatever you're writing here select statement, those select statements is a fetching here, fetch next from your cursor name into variable 1 comma 2 and so on. So suppose here where condition, if I put where id, let's suppose I have 1000 records, guys. Okay, if I put my where condition is less than 1000, less than or equal to 1000, it will retrieve only 1000 records, and the loop will check until unless it will come to 0. It will start from 0. Okay, and it will end with 0. So meanwhile it will iterate till 1000 records. Okay, whenever it's 1000 comes, the while loop, it will come to know, okay, it will come to 0 records. So it means 0 records, guys, nothing but. So suppose if I put this condition, what will be the output? I'm able to see 1000 records or not? Here, yes, I'm just asking. So when I put this condition, select column one from some table, 1000 records. So whenever you put a fetch status equal to 0, which means there is no records left from this statement. Okay, it will, as I discussed earlier, it will perform like row by row, right? Row by row. So at the 1000 record come, the system will know there is no record. That's why I use this fetch statement when there is no record. Okay, 1 second. Hmm, తర్వాత చూస్తా, please. Okay. So until unless there is no record, it will be iterate this statement. Once the record is there is no record, then it will be terminate the while statement. Okay. Yeah. When I put begin, I need to put end statement as well, right? Yeah, guys. So here the fetch will be complete. Then once the fetch will done, what I need to write here? Close or not? Close your cursor name and deallocate cursor name. So okay, guys, I missed something here. You need to tell me. In while I mentioned something, a while fetch records, but inside what I need to check. So here I irritated, right? The same thing I need to mention inside or not, because system doesn't know, right? We need to pass the record, next record. How it will know the next record, right? First, so how a while condition will work? Yeah, tell me. First we declared one iteration, right? Some high int equal to 0. Yeah, this you know, right? Yeah. Now tell me, while something. Yeah, guys, tell me how it will inside begin I equal to I plus plus 1. So is it correct or not? So ideally it's iterating inside, right? If something you should be iterate, correct? Guys, if you have any doubts, please, I will stop here and I will try to explain. So nothing, guys. I'm just putting a while condition. Okay, inside while condition, I am iterating, iterating some values. Whatever I declared here, declared is nothing but whenever I fetch next from the cursor name into this variables, right? Those initially it will store as employee ID 1. Okay, first value only we can store. From next time onwards, it automatically iterate from here. Employee ID 2, employee ID 3, something like that. Clear now? Guys, clear? Yeah. So yeah, this is a general syntax for cursor. You can see examples, then you will come to know how it will perform. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now we can see some examples. Yeah. Now I want to perform some DBA activity that backups all my DBs. Okay, DBs in my server. So I'm just giving you example, guys. It's not DB activity, but I some meaningful. I want to give you example. That's why. Okay, here how many databases I have? Roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 DBs, right? Okay, just see the example, then we'll come to know. Yeah, now you can tell me first time declaring one variable for to fetch that DB. Okay, DB underscore name varchar of some 200. Yeah. Now I want to write a cursor. Now you can tell me declare cursor name, right? Yeah, guys. Tell me how can I write declare? So something I'm putting as a DB cursor. Yeah, guys. DB cursor. Yeah, tell me as per syntax. Yeah, this is my syntax. As per syntax, just tell me how can you write cursor? Okay, for yeah. Now I want to take the system DBs. How can I right, what is the syntax for that? Any idea? Normally, where do my DBs will save? Select start from sys dot sys databases something. Okay, sys dot database. Yeah. Now tell me, these all are my DBs. Okay, how many DBs are there here? Roughly 11. 11, right? So okay. Yeah, same query I need to write here. Instead of that, I'm just taking only the name. Okay. Yeah, for what I need to write here, my select statement, right? Select name from master dot dbo dot sys sys databases, right? So my schema is sys, I think. Okay, sys databases, right? Yeah. Now you can tell me what I need to write. Yeah, correct. Open. What is my cursor name here? Right. DB cursor. Yeah. Once I declared and open, I need to write the fetch statements, right? The fetch statement, the name should be saved in DB. Because earlier I didn't mention any variables, but now we can come to know why I taken a variable. Yeah, now we can tell me open. Yep, fetch. Cursor name already written, right? Open cursor name, fetch. Next, yeah, next from yeah, guys. What is that? My cursor name, right? Hmm. Now into I'm storing into where DB name, right? Correct. Yep. So this is a variable. Till here clear, right? Now what I'm doing now, while same thing, fetch status, right? If you hit this one, it will come. Yeah. Inside. Yep. I'm beginning this while loop. Yeah. Begin what I need to write. I'm just writing. I'm not taking backup actually because It may be take bit time. I'm just printing. Okay, how it will. Okay, backup also will take, but I will show how it will come. Okay, yeah, backup. Yeah, tell me. Backup of our DB, right? So I need to write that. Yeah, plus. What is my variable name? DB underscore name. Correct. So whatever you see master temp DB, it will be loop now. You just see how it will loop. Okay. Uh, so backup of DB. I want to write some meaningful name, guys. Okay, where I need to do disk. Okay, to disk equal to I want to store in my C drive. How can I write that one? Plus something like where my C drive? Okay, some program files are Microsoft DB somewhere I want to. Just I'm taking copy path only. Okay, okay. Now we can see what I'm writing here. That's it. So nothing else. I'm just printing backup the DB to disk the location. That's it. Okay. Why I'm taking this three commas? You know, right? I want to put something in invert the single quotes. That's why I'm taking this one. Clear? Uh, Print. Then what I need to write again a fetch. Just because I need to iterate, right? That's why. Control C. Yep. And once this one begin, I need to end as well. Control Shift U. Okay. Yep. So I want to the close the cursor. What is my cursor name? Close. Okay. Close db underscore cursor. Okay. And same I need to deallocate as well. Deallocate. So this is important, guys. Close and deallocate. You should do mention. Otherwise, it will be utilize your resources and will take memory. Okay. So now, yeah, guys. Now we can see what will happen. See what it came here now. Backup. See how it was came. It came or not? See how many rows? One, two, three, four. So when I hit self statement, it will come like this. No, normally I'm asking. If I hit select statement directly, it will give you all records at a time, right? But internally, when you put this one by one, it will come, right? You understood what is the difference between that select statement and how it will work like this? See, did I inform the system it will come in some sort order? No, it automatically takes that. It will give me all all row by row, right? All values in row by row. Clear till here? So if I perform print operation, the backup also we can take, but I don't want to take that operation because I just want to show you. Clear? Till here, clear, guys? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Correct. When you open this, yes, this will automatically open and the records will be ready to store in this one, the variable. Correct. This is actually, that's why I mentioned here, with this one. Yeah, it allocate memory and ready to perform the operation, right? So, no, I'm just giving you example, but DB developer also can use this, but mostly you won't use because of this is a performance killer. So see, when I hit select star from This databases it's taking within a seconds normally. I'm take only the here only 10 record. That's why it's coming as a 0 seconds when you. But I have thousands of records. Okay, I have thousands of records. I want to perform this cursor. It will definitely takes a time because it's a reading row by row. Okay, it's reading row by row. That's why it will take time, and obviously it will give you performance issues. So he won't use, but he must know when should you use this cursor. Suppose if you want to perform insert, update, and delete at a time. Okay, in normally if you insert, update, delete, what will happen? Here, suppose if I want to insert, update, and at a time, the data will be inconsistent, right? So first I update, insert, and update and delete. At a time, if you perform, obviously the insert will be insert and update and delete. Some records definitely it will be give you inconsistent data. When you use the cursor, as you know, it will perform row by row. That time it will be useful. Mostly we can perform in transactions for specific reasons. I mean specific criteria when business asks us. Okay, because maybe business asks us, I want to perform 1000 to 2000 records. I want to perform 2000 to 3000 records. Some kind of particular requirement that time you can use cursors, right? So clear, right? Yeah, you can see more examples, then we can come to know. Okay. Yep. Now we can see with our tables. So I'm going to take some product table, product production, and see here something like nearly how many 504 records I have. Okay. So first, before that, I'm just copying into some dummy table this data. Okay, top into. Right? How can you take this into product term? Okay. I think guys, I'm just taking one table backup for this. Not sure it will execute or not. Okay, there is no dependency. Yeah. So we can perform some operation against this table and we can see. Okay. I'm just remove this. Okay. So okay, standard cost. Huh. Now we can take this table and we can perform some examples. Okay. I guess what I need to take here first product ID, product name. Before that, whatever required, I will take. Select product ID name from 1 second, guys. So okay, and I want to take this standard cost as well. Standard cost. Uh, why standard cost? STANDA or D. Okay, correct on. Okay, I'm just taking this. Yeah, guys. Now let's see. Now I'm going to write cursor again. Yeah. Now tell me create. Sorry. First I need to declare product ID, product name. Yeah. Now you can tell me what I need to declare first. Yeah, guys. Declare product ID, right? PID integer and P name as a product name as what I can take. varchar of max. Yeah, once I declare this variable, what I need to write? Declare my cursor name, right? For the prod cursor, yep, okay. For what I need to write? My select statement, okay. Okay, yuck, okay. Tab name, okay. So once I taken this, what I need to write now? Open, right? Okay, open. You guys tell me. Open cursor name, for cursor. Yeah, open cursor. Now I want to write fetch, right? Open cursor name, fetch. Next, yeah, from my DB. Sorry, my cursor name. Yeah. Now I want to save into where I need to save my variables, right? PID into PID, comma. What is my name? P name. Oh, for timing, I just skip this. Let me see. Okay. Now, what I need to write? While fetch status equal to 0. Yeah, okay. Begin. Huh. Now you can tell me. Print something. Print ID equal to, yeah. I want to print that my, what do you call this one, variable. What it is in PID, right? So here I get a conversion error. What I need to do right here? Cast or convert, right? Okay. As varchar. Um, okay, varchar of 10. Ah, then plus name. I want to put is a name. Name equal to the product name. I'm just iterating, guys. Just observe that what I'm trying to do. Okay. How the cursor will work. Okay. Name equal to, what is my p name, right? Name. P name. Yep. Yeah. Once it's done, what I need to do it? Again the fetch, right? Right? Fetch. Yep. Once the fetch is done, then what I need to do? So end, begin while for end, close for cursor. What my cursor is a prod. Yep. Prod cursor. Deallocate. Yeah, deallocate the prod cursor. Product ID name. Did I miss anything? While, yep. So now we can see what will happen here. See how much time it's taking. Okay, it is not taking time being, but how it came. Row by row it came itself. See, something is here. So something like this, it will work. How a cursor will work. Now we can see with the update. Then you can see. Okay, how it will work. Update. Okay. Mm, yeah, yeah. That that we can use, but As of now, not required, but I will explain that as well. So this is a good, that definitely we can see that. So because my guess is a business user, we cannot give access to DB level. So ultimately, you give a report or something. In report, from report, they can extract for their desired output, either Excel and CSV. But here also you can import. But in general terms, as we developer, you won't give access to any of business users, right? That's, yeah, that's it. 1 minute ago, guys. Uh, 1 minute, I will come back. 1 minute. Phone. Sorry, guys. It's been so. Yeah, it's okay. Now we can see some update operation and see how it will work. Okay. Um, we have many, I think, five other cursor types as well. But I will give you that overview, or I will give you some docs because you won't use them in real time. But if you want, if you want to see that curiosity or something, I will give you. Then you just go and check. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now we can see some example for this. Same, I'm copying. So what I need to do here, I don't require this one. PID only at this time. Yeah, guys, I just want to update how it will work in cursor. Okay. Um, what I need to do here, as I declared a PID, what I need to take, I no need to take name, right? Guys, correct or not? I'm taking only one. So just say product ID from the table. Okay. Now, what I need to take once it's done, open same. Do you want me to take some update cursor or something? Update cursor. Okay. Yeah, guys. Once open, what do you need to fetch? Yeah, guys. Same thing, right? What I my cursor. By any chance, if I am unable to understand, please let me know so that I will pause and I will try to explain it. Nothing, guys. I'm just trying to give you some update examples. That's why. Okay. This guy said, okay. Why? So they're asking to skip that TV ad. Okay, 1 second. Sorry, guys. So they're operating from my mobile. That's why they're asking to skip that ad in YouTube. Okay. Huh. Now I don't want to print because I want to perform some operation. Now you can tell me. So wherever my product ID like, okay, flat washer. Okay, flat washer. Let's see what are the max we have a name. External jump lock. Okay, lock nut. Okay. So where name like lock nut. Oh, okay. Starting help. Yeah, nothing, guys. Wherever my lock nut is there, no? I mean, it's starting with the lock nut. I want to update standard cost as some amount. Okay, some $10 or something like that. Okay. So same way, flat washer also. Guys, is it boring or something like no, right? Flat. For sure. See, nothing. My requirement, guys. Wherever is the lock nut equal to wherever name equal to lock nut, then I want to update some amount for standard cut. Same way, wherever my name equal to flat washer, something like that, I want to update. Yeah, now you can tell me business logic. Then I will write a query for that. Yeah, tell me, guys. First, what I need to write here? Yeah, guys, just tell me. First, I need to store the P name, right? Because I want to use in some where condition. Huh? Right? First, I need to store the P name. So, how can I take that? Select. Okay. Okay. I remove that. Product name. Sorry. My bad. Okay. Now again, I'm taking back the P name back. Okay. Just observe what I'm trying to do here. I'm not taking here in name, but I'm taking where I'm taking inside while loop. Okay. Yeah. How can I save that value into this one? Product name. Guys, we discussed many examples. Just tell me, please. Yep. Add P name. Yeah. Equal to. Yeah. Now tell me. Many examples we see. Name from. Yeah. Select is not required because we are setting name from. What is the my table name? Dump. This one. Yeah. Now you can tell me what will happen here. So whatever names there, the names will setting in my P name variable. Is that correct or not? Guys, correct or not? Okay. Now, what I need to write, I want to check that condition. Okay. If, yeah, P name, దండం పెడతా ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు please. They won't listen. If P name, yeah guys, like, tell me, yeah, what I need to write, P name like some lock nut, right? Okay. P name lock, then what I need to write? I need to update some amount, correct? Yeah. Now tell me, so if condition, how it will work? Begin, done. Yeah, now you can tell me, how can I want to update some amount to that table. How can I update? Tab, update. Yeah, guys, tell me, update. What is my table name here? Yep, table name. Okay. Yeah, set unit price or what is what I want to write? Some standard cost, right? Yep, standard cost equal to some amount less. So something like okay. Yeah. Now I need to put where condition. What I need to write here because it should iterate for every ID, right? How it will? Where product ID only, right? PID, product ID equal to PID. Done. Yeah, this is done. Once if statement is done, what you need to do? Begin is end, right? Yeah. Now I need to write one more condition like else if. So I think we didn't discuss up the control flow tasks, right? So because we know, right, how can you use? If you don't know, I will take one more class. Guys, control flow. You know, right? Control flow. If else. Yes, actually, I want to hear you from something like you. So, do you want me to explain control flow talks? I think it's not required. Is normally how you can write in C language wherever. Same thing. Naresh, is it required? Control flow talks. No, no problem. No problem. No problem. So, control flow talks if else, you know. So, yeah, begin. Yeah, minimum basic size. That's why I'm not interested. So, here, control C, control V, and I'm putting something 135. Okay, and I'm putting here end statement. Okay, that's it. As of now, 2 is enough. You try to execute this, then okay. Once it's done, fetch next from table, and only my PID is required because PNAME we are storing there. Uh, Let me cross check again. No. Declare product select product ID from open. Yeah, now you can tell me what will happen here. Must declare. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Tell. Okay. Sorry, my bad. Update. We here. Okay. Okay. Where I need to update anyway. Switch. Okay, done. Now we can just see commands completed successfully. Now where I need to check why it's not updated. Okay, update my table is correct only, right? Table set. My DB also correct. Where I need to create this DB? One second. Like thing like I will print name. It's coming or not? Let me check. Okay, it's coming, but why it's not coming? Why it's not updating? Hmm. No. Maybe the if condition is not taking. I think. Let me take some p name equal to some exact value. Then we can see. Okay. Okay. Exact value plot washer or log nut. Okay. I'm just taking exact value and just see. Maybe sometimes like condition. Okay. And plot washer one. Okay. Okay. Maybe my bad. I think. Hey. A equal to. Now we can see. It will update or not. Begin update. Set standard cost. The product I equal to product ID. Only. Let it be. But let me see here. Oh, it's not updating, right? Okay. I'm just remove this condition. Okay. Select name from where name left then begin update set. Okay, else if right. Yeah, correct only. Let me execute. My cursor is correct or not. Okay, now we can see. Oh, it's not updated. Ideally, it should update, but why it's not updated? Okay, okay, one sec. Okay, okay. No, that is a conversion error. No, no, it's not updating, but the thing is correct only. Huh, it's getting updated. So I do one thing. Instead of that, let me update in any other column. Make a flag equal to Cheeto. And let me. Why it's not updating? Make a flag equal to one. I will put one or finish a good flag. Okay, rename begin update table set project. I'm trying to update some different column. Let me see. Set finish good flag equal to one. Control equal to one. The syntax is correct. Everything looks correct, but why it's not taking open for? Okay, switch into PID. Name. Okay. One second, guys. Let me check. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. What is the issue here? Ah, okay. Where? Uh, product ID equal to, just see, product ID equal to product ID. Oh, what is my ID? PID, right? PID. Now we can see. Okay, I missed this one. That's why it's, let me see this time. Okay, now one row got affected, right? Just see. What is my column name? Finish goods flag, right? So now it's got affected. Even you see the error, right? There, I mean, message. Something got affected, right? Flat washer 1 and look not equal to 1. Guys, did you see that? We can update one more column now. Then we can see standard, standard, standard. So that is our business logic. You only mentioned some wrong value. Okay. Okay. Now we can see. Yeah, because yeah, row because it's a product ID. I didn't mention this where condition. That's why it's a simply taking random values or all values into one. Okay. Now we can just see. two rows affected. Here you can see 120, 100. Okay, guys, it's updated or not? So now we can see like condition as well. So that's our mistake only. Usually users only made mistakes. Okay. I thought that's why syntax and everything is correct, but why it's giving him error? Somewhat I doubted with this one. Yeah, that's it. Sure. So do you want me to give more examples? Oh, now we can see what's happening here. Yeah, everything got affected now. So because I didn't, yeah, tell me. Cursor, yeah, that's why we have a requirement. Suppose if we get a requirement like they ask a particular scenario like I want to insert or update delete with between these rows and these rows. Okay, they only mention that I want update singleton like row by row. I want to update row by row, something like they only ask us. That time we can use this cursors. So because yeah, when you perform transaction row by row, that time you can use. Normally, if you perform the transaction insert update into one transaction, how it will work? All will execute at a time. Okay. Suppose I can show you one example, then we'll come to know cursor. See row by row by row, or if they give us a particular condition, I want to execute this transaction between 1 to 100 rows or something like that. That time we can use the cursors. Okay. Uh, Cursors are, I want to add few points to cursors. So already I written db retrieve row by row. Okay. So uses to perform DML operation in particular, yeah, particular criteria. Okay. And so you can use only whenever it's necessary. Necessary, I already spoke with you that whenever they ask a particular requirement, that time only use. Okay. Use cursors whenever it's necessary. And yeah, are you able to see my screen? Hello. So cursors are very good performance. So use wisely. Okay, cursor very good performance. So use wisely. Because you know, right? As it's performing row by row. Suppose I want to update millions of rows. As it will execute row by row. Obviously, it will be cost effective and it will take cost in the sense this one query cost. Okay. So is there any alternate for cursor is you can simply say joins, right? Joins same you can use in joins also, right? Suppose I'm writing some business logic here. Same I can use in update statement with a join condition, right? So here I'm taking from one table, it's okay. But if you want to join multiple tables, that will be really become a challenge here. Is it challenge or not, guys? I'm just asking. So that's why business will give you requirement like they want to update row by row. I mean, they want to particular transaction for apply this insert and update and delete sequentially row by row. That time it will be useful. In normal cases, we cannot use cursors. Okay. Uh, that's it. So then I hope you understand where we use cursors and what is the disadvantage for the cursors and all. Okay. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes. Inside store procedures we usually use. Okay. Inside store procedures. Yeah, yeah. Because inside store procedure we can write and we can, right. To perform a transactions, we cannot define variables manually every time, right? So we cannot save this also. Once we deallocate here itself, the system knows, okay, the cursor got deallocated, there is no cursor in system. Suppose if you put in store procedure already pre-compiled one, whenever you hit that store procedure, inside this cursor will invoke and it will perform the action. Suppose how you update this statement. So we can write inside store procedure and we can perform this cursor operations. Clear? Clear. Yeah, I got your point. So where do you use the cursors? Yeah, inside of store procedures we can use. I'm not sure about functions we can use or not because I never tried. Maybe in store procedure definitely we can use. Uh, that's it, guys. So there are some other examples as well. We have some static, dynamic, and forward and keystone. I will give you this example to sheet. Just try with your own way, okay? I will give you this script as well. So you will try or do you want me to explain? Yeah, this is nothing but however you're creating the cursors, right? Same way, but we just use this wherever you put a static, we just use this static command extra. That's it. Suppose if it's a dynamic file. But that uses and all, I will provide you documentation today. Then we just use. I never use, but something if you want try, you can try it as well. There's actually four types of cursors we have. I will mention with our script as well. Okay. So here only I'm writing. I'm appending. Just try these examples. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. So just remind me if you want any additional I mean topics you want. So anyways, we will discuss about this one. What your query optimizations are creating indexes and what left we have. That's it, right? Do you want to see this way as well? You asked me sometime back what for upsets. So my suggestion will upsets maybe you can see in ETL kind of thing because whenever you use ETL, no, that time only perform upsets. So because a change, if you want to change any record and you want to replace with that record with a new record, something like that time you use the upsets. Okay, better we can see while you discussing ETL. Okay, so better, right? Otherwise, if you want teach me, then I will teach. That won't be any issue. Mm, okay. No. Cross apply, outer apply as well. Yeah, that's why whenever it's required, definitely I will teach you. So we will going to teach these reports, right? SSR reports. That time we will create some store procedures. Okay. There we can see cross apply, outer apply, how it will work. Okay. And even pivots, unpivots. Okay. Uh, yeah. Once we complete this indexes, then we can see the ETL and the data warehouse concepts. Okay, I will teach you only SSIS, but my suggestion will be just go to ADF as well. Azure Data Factory, that is a cloud ETL. Okay, there are free resources available in the internet. I will provide you. Just check it out. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I'll see you on Monday. So maybe one or two classes we can discuss. Then we will go to data warehouse cycles. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bye. I will upload these three classes. Whatever you missed.